In the past few months, I've been investing big money into gaming projects. And I want to show you another gaming coin that I think is a seriously good buy right now that can make me massive gains in the future. Because I know, too much talking. I think there's going to be a big move for gaming projects in the next few months. If it's sounding interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Did you see my last video? If you haven't, go check it out. This is the second coin. Take a look. Not financial advice. This is Elixir Games. Now, I'm seeing a buying opportunity for Elixir Games. This is lower than the IDO price, meaning that people got in on a pre-launch or a pre-sale. It's more like an IDO is similar to a pre-sale. They had the opportunity to buy it at really cheap prices. And since its launch, it's just fallen in price. And I think the problem that this project had was it was just the wrong timing. They basically released when, the market was falling down. So now we're starting to see some pickup in the market. Hopefully it can continue. I think Elixir Games, could be one of the biggest movers in the gaming space. It's got that kind of think of Steam. I don't know if you guys play Steam games. Think of Steam like a library of different games that you can play and play to earn. But it's got this kind of gala feel as well. And this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for sort of like a massive sort of development, solid project that can, gaming developments, like a platform that can deliver tons of different games. So it's not just one game. There's tons of different games that people can come over and play and earn good money for playing. So this is my next buy. And I'm going to show you again. I'm going to break down what I see in the charts with this, show you my strong opinion. In the last video, I was talking about, Off the Grid, how it's going to be launched on PlayStation. Again, make sure you check the last video out. I feel like that could spark a big rally in all games. Right now, this is up 5%, not massively. Does it show what it's up in the last week? I don't think it does it on this. It does it on CoinGecko. Sometimes you look at the bottom and it shows how much it's up. But yeah, now, hold on. Can I do it like this? Does it show like this? Oh, over 7 days, it just shows it here like this. Up 22% over 7 days. What's it up over the month? Does it show or is down? So yeah, I'm looking at it as a great buying opportunity, and I've got it over here on the charts. This is the weekly time frame, if it loads, for Elixir Games. 7 million market cap. So I'm basically dealing with a low cap gaming cryptocurrency. Yeah, the IDO launch has just been falling since then. Look at this massive sellout. I don't know what happened there, but these are the areas that I've been looking to buy it. And look at this. This is what I'm paying attention to, the RSI, because this tells me when coins are overbought and oversold. And as you can see, we've just managed to print some sort of indication on this RSI on the weekly time frame. And I've been waiting for this because I wanted to see, are we overbought? Are we oversold? Because, if it was up here, let me just draw a line. If this indicator was up here like this and it was coming down, I wouldn't have bought, because that would tell me there's more downwards action to come. But what you're seeing is this RSI picking up, meaning that it's going to start to come up like this. It will come into this zone, and eventually loads of buyer power will kick in, and then eventually it will come right up here, overbought. And that's the time when I'm going to be selling this, and I will bring you another video, and I'm fairly confident that at that time you're going to see substantial gains, massive price moves for this. It's been so oversold for so long. There's just so much room for this to blow massively. How high did this go in the past? Let's have a quick look. The highest that this has been, it says about 13 cents. I think it's going to surpass that. 10x from now, you'll see an easy 10x on this. At least I believe so, or I will, because I've put minimum $10,000. Believe what you want. I'm just letting you know I have more than 10,000 in this, but this was my last buy. I'm stacking up on these decent, solid projects. A 10x will turn my 10,000 from buying at 2 cents. When it gets to 23 cents, my 10,000 is $100,000. Can it go to $2? Because then that would make me $1 million just in this one gaming project alone. Let's take a further look into this. Why else do I like this? They've got a launchpad, which means they're going to have the opportunity to bring or on board loads of new games for 2025. And they might, these new gaming platforms may find, or projects, developers, whatever they are, might find this attractive. Now, they've already got good games on here that people can come and play straight away. So that's a good look. It shows that there's stuff here already for people to come and play and, you know, get involved in, which means this launch pad, it says new, this could open a world of doors for new developers. Is there one already? Is this one already? Look at this. I haven't even said, I need to get involved. I need to get involved. And I'm guessing this is the video in the background. Actually, I do. This is sort of like your Fortnite, right? I've seen them where they got this little sort of shooter and you can run around. People like this sort of stuff. Look at it. They're flying out into the sky. They're landing, play and earn. Bit like your Fortnite. This is exciting me. This is exciting me. Can you see the opportunity? You don't have to like playing these games, by the way. I wasn't a Fortnite fan. But I know so many people that played it. And if you was able to invest in Fortnite before it blew up massive, you'd be mega rich. Look at this. That's solid. I want to buy that. So I'm going to get involved in this. How do I do it? It says it starts in 1 day's time. I need to alert my Patreons and IGO, initial game offering. And it usually tells you when you get involved in these launch pads, this is my fine example why it's such a good buy, because you just don't know what's going to come from this. This looks solid. What? Let me just have a quick look at this with you guys. I've got to now. Look at this. Decent flipping looking games. Come on. It just looks good, man. I mean, I know that's not the gameplay, but the animation, just like they put so much effort into it. And that's what this is about. Let me pause this. That's what this is about. It's about finding gaming platforms that are going to bring you a huge amount of games that people will love, that they're putting in effort to make solid games. This could become a AAA title. Who knows? Let's have a quick look. Yeah, man. Okay. Let me turn it down a bit. It's a bit too loud. A bit too. You've got your gun. Yeah. Look at this. This is class. I'm very hyped for Elixir Games. Class. I feel like I'm watching a cartoon. Let me just skip it forward. Is that what it is? Good, it's good intro to what the game is all about. It's a good fit. Showed actual some gameplay though. Oh, we saw the gameplay already, but the intro's good. This is just like an animated intro to the whole thing. So look, how do we get involved in this? R1 tier holders round guarantee. So what do you need to get in this? I want to be a part. You just got to stake your tokens and that's it. You buy the Elixir tokens, which I've got. You stake them. How much do you need to stake to have a tier 1? What's this staking? 5,000. So pool weight of 2. You need 5,000 Elixir and then you can be part of this. I want to be in the highest tier. I want this tier. I'm going to have to look into this. How do you get into like... Oh, hold on. You click across. Okay. If you stake 25,000 Elixir tokens, you get a put weight of 5.5. Is this guaranteed allocation? Oh, I'm excited for this. What's the highest tier? You need to stake 600. I'm going to flip and be a wow. Because when I look at projects like Robo-Kaiden, I think that's what it's called, Robo-Kaiden, that excites me. Because that alone, like, because the good thing with this, when you get involved in launch pads, you basically get this coin at the lowest allocation possible. There's $300,000 available for allocation. Let's have a look down here, look. So each token would be worth 30 cents. Is that right? 1 billion tokens in supply. It doesn't say what the actual starting market cap will be, but this just looks epic. It looks so damn good. So I might, you know, stake some of my tokens, because at the same time you can earn some passive income while you're staking. And then I might, my Elixir tokens, and then I might actually participate in this. So patrons, see this as sort of like an alert to you for this launch pad, because usually I'll drop an alert. I will drop an alert. I'll let you know what I'm doing. But I think this could be worth it. This could be worth, you know, just staking the tokens and then, you know, getting ready for this launch, because it's in 1 day's time. So I'm going to have to learn in quick. Unlock date 28th of October. So in a couple of months you get the full tokens, and then you can either sell them or hold them for higher gains. 150 per weight. That's what you want. You want the highest tier. Look, 600,000 tokens is a lot of money to be in the highest WoW tier. Many people won't be able to afford that. But you don't need to go in that high tier to make, you know, decent gains on these launches. 50,000 tokens there. How do you know if it's guaranteed allocation or not? Does it say? I'm just looking. Pool weight. It's just a pool weight. You just get a pool weight, meaning that you'll like be able to invest a certain amount of money. 5.5, and you can do it as little as this. Look, 5,000 tokens. Which right now, what's 5,000 tokens of these? 5,000 Elixir cost it costs $118. You can be a part of these launch pads for as little as $118. Because I tell you what, when this goes to like $2 a piece, if it does in the future, that's a lot of money. You're talking 10 grand for the smallest tier to get involved in these launches on these new games. So yeah, I wanted to share this over here. There's still more I want to talk about. There's loads to talk about with this. Let's have a look at the partners. I was watching their videos because, you know, when you go onto YouTube, you can search Elixir Games, and you can see some of the stuff that they've been doing. And they talk about the launchpad. They talk about loads of different things that they've been doing. And I just think that now's a good time. The whole season pass thing's cool as well, because when you game, you get this, you know, when you play like your Fortnites and stuff, you have a season pass where you can get additional in-game items and things like that, skins and all of that. So it will encourage the gamers to come over and play more. Let's just have a look at, I don't know, what's in the library? Is this the game? Oh, that's my library. I haven't got any games because, you know, I'm logged in at the top, right? So, yeah, what I wanted to show you was the launchpad, really, and just the buying opportunity. I think this can be good. I think this is going to be a good runner. 6 million, how? Guys, watch when the gaming space takes off and people open up their eyes to this. It will easily come back up to all-time highs, which when it does that from right here, because look, if this is down, how much is this down? Let's have a quick look. This is down from near enough the highs. I went exact high. It's down 79%, almost 80%. Let me see, 80%. What a bargain buffet. And when you do it the opposite way, look, because, you know, 80% is there. It make more gains. When it goes back to all-time highs, 396% profit. My $10,000 turns to $36,000. I'll have $46,000 because you get your 10 plus the 363% profits on top of that. And I think it can go beyond. Look, 10x on this goes to 68 million market cap. And I've got to think about Gala Games because that went to multiple billions. I'm sure it went to 4 or 5 billion. If this goes to 6 billion, that's 100x. No. What? Is that? Yeah. No. That's 1,000x. Because that's where Gala went. I'm not saying it's going to do that, though. Not financial advice. I'll say it again. 10x is 68 million. 100x is 688 million. So that's 100x isn't even a billion. So 200x is 1.3 billion, something like that. So 400x is about 2.6 billion. Do you see the massive potential that this could have? And it's delivering decent flipping games like this in its launch pad. Is that it there? Yeah. Man, I'm excited for this. I'm excited. New launchpad. I'm gonna leave it here because I want to get involved in this. I want to get this up to the patrons quick. But this is why I'm buying this right now. Okay? Because I feel like gaming's gonna take off, and when it does, things like this are gonna move. If it was helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. I know my words are all over the place. You can become a patron if you like. They see these videos first. They have the opportunity to get in. I'm always alerting them on things like the IDOs, so they have the chance to get in on these projects as well. I'm alerting them on lots of stuff, and you can be a part of it. Yeah, link is in the info section. Click it. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier, this one here. But if you can't afford it, my next tier above, the CEO tier, gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. It's a powerful network. I talk to them a lot of the time before I buy things. We're talking about many different things. I was talking to them about Meta, how it can seriously spark the whole metaverse again. Stuff's going on with Meta. Yeah, there's a lot of great stuff that you can learn about in the group. So, you know, come check it out if you can afford it. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.